Meet Ed. Ed is a dealer at a typical dealing desk. Here is how trading with a dealing desk works. Generally, dealing desks have relationships with multiple banks and market makers, much like FXCM does. However, unlike FXCM's automated straight-through Forex processing system, Ed merely watches the bank prices. Ed decides what price his clients will see. Depending on the dealing desk's needs and the market conditions, Ed can create his own indicative price, which he displays to the trader. Steve wants to buy euros, and his order is sent to the dealing desk. There, Ed decides what to do with it. Ed's job is to make money, and one way he can do so is to buy euros from a bank at a cheaper price than he sells euros to Steve. Oftentimes, this system of wheeling and dealing works for both Ed and for Steve, but not all the time. Now, Steve wants to sell euros. If the market is moving quickly, Ed might not be able to find a profitable match for Steve's order before the bank prices move. Since Ed's job is to make money, he is not going to take Steve's trade at a loss. So, Ed issues a requote, rejecting the original order and giving Steve a new, worse price that he can either accept or reject. In fast markets, this can happen multiple times, as Steve can be requoted again and again and again. This can ruin Steve's exit, costing him profits or increasing his losses. Although Ed can make a nice profit from wheeling and dealing between the banks and Steve, he can make even more money by simply taking the other side of Steve's trade, cutting out the banks completely. In this scenario, Ed and the dealing desk can lose money when Steve makes money. Ed can also make money when Steve loses. And the bigger Steve's loss is, the bigger Ed's profits become. Some dealing desk firms routinely hold more than 2/3 of their clients' trades this way. That's good for Ed and the dealing desk, but pretty bad for Steve. This is why FXCM created its no dealing desk Forex execution system, which eliminates this inherent conflict of interest between dealing desk and trader.